What is up, everybody? It's your boy Jack here. Welcome to another video. We're unboxing China, and today we're looking at the product, the Saramonic Blink 500. We're going to look at some of the product details before we start with the unboxing. The Blink 500 Pro B2 is the package that I ordered today. The Saramonic Blink 500 Pro system is incredibly lightweight, ultra-compact, and easy-to-use wireless microphone system for up to 2 people. The microphone delivers exceptional broadcast quality sound to DSLR, mirrorless, and video cameras, smartphones, tablets, computers, and more. The transmitters and receiver deliver a remarkable 8 hours of runtime on a single charge and features quick charging. The supplied charging case allows you to charge the transmitters and receivers anywhere and can be recharged or powered by a USB-C DC 5V port. It's great, so you can charge it anywhere you go. Okay, some of the key features of this product: dual channel stereo receiver for cameras and mobile devices, portable charging case for transmitter and receiver, vivid OLED display on both transmitter and receiver, selectable mono to stereo output mode, real-time headphone monitor, mic input and line input, 8 hours battery life on one single charge, 1 button easy pairing, lavalier microphone, windscreen, and dead cat included in the package. So we're going to see all of that when we get into it. Alright, without further delay, let's get to the unboxing. Let's start with the big box first. Very good. Alright, so inside we got some package material, standard stuff. Here we are, ultra compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone system with lavalier microphone. All right, so quickly let's start with the unboxing. Pull that off. Very nice case. All right, there we go. So in the box, first thing you're gonna get is your user manual. Very nice. Let's take a look inside. And what looks like a SIM card tool. Quality certificate, warranty, some Saramonic stickers, and of course the booklet. And the booklet is in English. Fantastic, all in English. All right, so let's move that aside. And then inside the box, what we can see here, inside the box we have our receiver. Well, this is a lot bigger than I expected. So this is the Saramonic Blink 500 receiver, and on it you can see a line out. It's got a line out button, and it's got a pairing signifier and a USB Type-C 5V charge port. And that seems to be about it on this one. Of course, this is where the signal is going to go in. So this is where you're going to face towards the person you're recording. And then on this side, this is our 2 receivers. Now the reason I took 2 is because if I want to do interviews or something, then I have one on myself and then one on the other person. And what do we have here? So again, directional. We got a USB Type-C charger for this one. The microphone can plug in there, so you're supposed to get 2 lavalier microphones with this one as well. Or you can use the onboard audio recording. We are going to test all of that today. Let's see what else in here. That seems to be it. Oh, there's something down here. What's this? Oh, a nice little carry bag for everything. Great. One little box here still left. Very pretty. Let's see what's in here. Well, there's a whole bunch of stuff crammed in here. Damn. A whole lot of goodies. Okay. So that's that. Let's put that out of the way. Okay, let's see what we got here. So of course this is a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. There's another one. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is an auxiliary cable for the receiver to go straight into your camera. And then here is another auxiliary cable. And then we have another third USB-A to USB Type-C charger, and we have 2 included lavalier microphones. All right, that's it for the B2 kit. This one, that's tricky. And here I have the ultra compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless USB-C receiver. Now the reason I got this, if I'm doing a live stream like the ones you've saw before on the phone, I can then plug this receiver straight into the phone and no need for any cables or anything like that. And there we go. Nice, very nice packaging. Saramonic sound remarkable. We'll certainly test that. And it opens this way. Very nice boxing. Again, you're met with a user manual of sorts. Open this little bag. Let's see what else is inside. What do we have here? Another SIM card tool. Some more stickers. We got a warranty card, international warranty, and of course a user manual, which I will probably not read. And then inside we actually have our Blink 500 USB-C receiver. Very nice. Very distinct yellow. Of course USB Type-C. So this is going to plug straight into my phone. I'm using it to record the top-down footage right now. But we will certainly test that later on. And see if there's anything else in this box. Of course, they added a little baggie as well. It's a pretty bag to put this in. And it's kind of a waste. But I'd probably just add this to the bag with the other receivers. Right, that's it for the unboxing. Let's do some testing. This is the audio straight from my phone. We are now going to plug it in our receiver first on the neck, and then we're going to plug in our lavalier mic that came with our package. This is the audio directly from the phone. Okay, so it looks like I got them paired with the receiver on the phone, as you can see. So this is the audio check with the built-in microphone to the transmitter and the mobile. And now I have the lavalier mic plugged into the receiver. The USB Type-C receiver is plugged into the phone. This is what the audio sounds like with the lavalier mic plugged into the receiver, sending to my USB receiver. And this is what it should sound like with the built-in microphone in the transmitter, sending it to the receiver plugged into my Sony. If you like this episode, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Jack signing off from Shin. I'll see you in the next one. Shishin.